Hello and welcome back. In our last video we talked about using a scraper and we left this nice sharp edge. And we got to thinking about that. And in my pocket I keep the little plane that could. Okay? This is just a little wood plane and it's ideal for breaking an edge in a controlled manner. You can just slide it down. And you see the little chip that it takes? Is that in? Okay. If the chip's too much, you can adjust it. Just tap the end of it. And that'll slide it back a little. And you get a little finer chip. Okay? So, we'd like to continue on with more videos about little tools like this and techniques that you can have and use in your shop. So like and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see.